Dear all, in this video, I am going to explain about another one of the packet tracer activity in our course that is called uh, PKT 12. That is a packet tracer activity 12. Notify the teacher about students waiting outside the office. Okay, so this is one of the activity. So now that is that student is waiting outside that teacher's office. So the teacher may not know about students waiting or not. If any students waiting outside, immediately a device, IoT device, going to sense and will intimate to the teacher. How we are going to see it now? Okay. So now for that, what are the devices we are going to use? We are going to use one motion sensor, one webcam, one PCO speaker, LCD and MCU. These are all the devices we are going to use. First, let us show the answer to you. Then I will start from the scratch to add the IO devices, connecting devices, and the what are the conditions we are going to make. I will start in the scratch. Now, before that, let me show the output to you. So regarding this is the teacher's office. Here one image is we have brought it here, and now so now that is this is the one motion sensor. It is keep outside of the door of the teacher's office, right? And this is the one web camera, and this is the one PCO speaker and one LCD displayed. Now if any student is standing outside and motion that motion sensor detected, once motion sensor is detected, the camera will starts on. Camera will check that identify this person, and then student name and ID will be displayed here. This is a scenario. Okay. Then at the same time, the speaker also will make a small sound. Okay. So let us see that output. Then we will start from the beginning. Okay. Now for that, now let me check. It is program is run and off, run or stop. Now program is running. Let me stop and run the program. This is a very simple code we are going to try. Minimize it. So initially the good day is coming. So because means that no student, the motion detector did not sense or did not identify any object, so that it is showing good day. If motion sensors detect something, then camera on, the speaker is on. Now the name and ID of the student will come. So now what I'm going to do, press the Alt key. I'm just move my mouse near to the motion sensor. See, I move motion sensor, the camera on, and the speaker also making sound. And let me stop my speaker sound so that the sound will not come. Okay, see, moving. So the camera on, the speaker is making sound. See that the student ID and the name is coming. Okay, the student ID and the name will be displayed here. Otherwise, if it is off, good day. Got my point? Here, this is the our objective of the program. So in this activity, how do that we will explain now. Okay. Now I will close this one. I'll go to the program. Open that Cisco packet tracer file. I'm going to open one PKA file which already I have created, PKA 12 file. Okay. So this is a PK12 file. So these are all the our work. Okay. I'll make it talk. What happened? Yeah, sorry. We have to give our name, no? Our name and email address. Okay, it's done. Now make it doc. I'll keep it here. Now you remember we saw one picture here. So now the aim of this one, we have to bring one the latest picture related to our teacher's office. Now then we have to keep our sensor on the top of the picture. Okay, how to bring the picture? It's better go to the Google. Okay, go to the Google and search anything. For an example, mm, and teacher table, teacher office room with the door, something. I'm going to search it. Images. Is there any image? Sir, the many images are coming here. Okay. Can I take this one? Right. So I will take this one. right click it, open image, a new tab, it is coming. Yes, so now some image is there, but there is some some, it is some website is coming. Okay, let it be website name. Okay, save the image. Okay, I'm going to save the, but what is this one? WEB file, it will not come. And we have to either JPG image or anything better. I'll open the any other image with the, we don't want this WEB image. So let us open that any other image. Can we take this one? Okay, any simple one. Okay, okay, without wasting the time, I'll open this one. We'll see that. Okay, right click it, open new window. If it is image, yeah, it is image. Okay, just right click it, save the image. Now I'm going to save the image in my desktop, the teacher office. Okay, teacher office. Okay, now file is saved. Now close this one, close. Now I'll go come back. Now I want to bring that image in this workspace. Here, go to right click, to right side, see the set background image. Click it. Now browse. Already it is there in my desktop. What is that one? Teacher office. Okay. And this I'm going to bring this one. See, use original image, display tile image. So better to keep the original image. Apply. Now if you see there, see that image is already come. Okay, so I'll make it size is big. Okay, so that we will get very clear. So now this is the one teacher office. Okay, right. Now we are going to keep our sensors are here. So what are the sensors we are going to use? And what is IoT devices, motion sensor, webcam, PCO. Now we are going to bring one by one on that. Motion sensor. So I'm going to keep it here. Okay, motion sensor. Imagine this is the door and keep it outside of the door. Imagine this is the outside. Okay, and the motion sensor. Motion sense. Yeah, I'll change small ms. Okay, I'll size reduce. Okay, so that for us easily we can keep all the motion sensor. What another one? Webcam. Okay, webcam. I'm going to bring one webcam. I'm going to keep it here. Okay. I think size that image size is, it is not so that it is better. Can I change it to new image so that we'll keep all the devices in that neatly? Okay. Now I am going to change a new image. Now is there any image? Yeah, I have one image. Say which I have used for our this one. Okay. Good. Now I'm going to use the same image. Okay. Now this is the office. Okay, teacher's office. Okay. Now I'm going to keep the sensors here. Now the first one is, now bring up the webcam. See, the webcam is coming. Okay, this is the camera. Another one is what? Motion sensor. No, motion sensor. Bring that motion sensor here and keep outside. Okay, and this is the motion ms. Okay, I'll make little bit bigger. The next one is PCO bursor. PIE. PCO bursor is there. Yes, bring it here. I'll keep it here. Okay. Now I'm going to change the name speaker. SPAKER. Speaker I'm changing. Okay. Now after that, one LCD screen we want it. LCD. I'll bring LCD. I'll keep it here. Okay. LCD. This is LCD. Okay. Now apart from this one, we need one MCU. We'll take MCU and bring it here and keep it here. Okay. And this is MCU. Done. So what is that? IoT devices are done, and we are going to connect all the devices to the MCU, right? We will start. The first one is connections, and go to the IoT custom cable. From motion sensor D0 to D0 I am connecting. That is this is the input one. What is the another one? The another one, webcam. Okay. So now we are going to connect to the webcam to that, where? To the D1 to D0 for webcam. Another one, that speaker, and the speaker to where we are going to connect it. Speaker to the D2. Now another one, we are going to connect D0 to, now going to connect D3, right? So now all done. So we have connected the all the IoT devices to the that MCU. We are going to write the program now. So now write the Python program MCU, that is called microcontroller unit, import the model, input output, then there is a condition is given here. Let us start the import, include the pins, then we will come to the conditions so that it is easy for us. Now click that MCU, go to the program, new, here I am going to motion detection. Okay, something will keep the name, go down and blink Python, create it, main, and now we are going to add, we are going to add that in pin mode. So how many pins we used? There are 4 pins used for IoT devices. So all the pins we have to include it here. The first one is pin mode. Which one? The pin mode 0. It is kind of motion sensor. Motion sensor is input or output? It should be an input. It is going to give the input as. The one is output, and the 2. Which one is this? 2 is also output, and the last one is 3. 3 is also the output. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now here we'll change a name. For an example, motion detection, or that is a student identification. You can change the name, reasonable name, student identification. Okay, now I'm going to remove that this existing one. We will write our own code. Right, up to this level is completed. Now condition, if motion is detected by the motion sensor, turn on the webcam and alert the PCO buzzer, and student ID name should be displayed where LCD screen. Okay, so this is the, so we will do the one by one, The first one is what? If that is motion sensor is going to detect. Motion sensor is just detect only. Make it just go there, check the specifications, and automatically deactivate without any mouse movement. Alt mouse slot performs D0 high perform. That is called, it's D0 means that is a digital. Okay, sorry. Now that is a digital read. So high, low. So now we are going to use that digital. We are going to read the digital read of which pin it is used? 0. If 0 equal to high, colon, enter it. Now what will happen? The webcam on and the PCO buzzer on, and it should be display some text here. So the webcam is what is the nature of the webcam? It is a camera registration server. What is a custom write? Okay, just copy custom write. If it is 0 means off, 1 means on. Now we are going to write the word custom write of which pin you have connected? D1. So that 1 comma, that is called the 1 means on. I'm sorry, what they mention, high low something, no, will go there. On 1 means on and 0 means off. So I'm going to write that word 1. Now it is on now. Now at the same time PCO buzzer also should be make it sound. So what is the PCO speaker nature? We will see that digital input. It's also digital on and off. See the digital read. So in this case it is a digital output only. It is going to give low high. So now again the code I'm going to write digital write off. Which pin you have connected to? Now make it high. Make it high. Okay, done. The last one is LCD. What is the LCD? What kind of process can display write, analog write, and custom read? Now we are going to display, right? So that we are going to, so we connected with the digital with the custom read. So that I'm going to write the custom write. Okay, custom write of which pin it is connected? 3. We are going to show the message student ID and the name as per the given in the instructions. So 1000 minus some name is printed here. Okay. Suppose if nothing is identified, no motion is detected motion sensor, that is the opposite. Turn off the webcam, turn on the PC buzzer, and good day, the message should come. Else, now I am going to copy this one and paste it here. So now what is this one? This should be 0, this should be low, and this is the message should come good day. Am I right? So done. So this is the simple code. Now I am going to run the code. We will see the output. Just run the code. Now is there any error? There is no error. Minimize it. Now I am this now see good day is coming. Okay. Now I am going to make a motion. So press the Alt key. Move mouse near to the motion sensor. See, the webcam is on now and the speaker is also making some sound. After few seconds, 5 seconds, it will automatically off. Okay, right? See the camera now it's off, speaker is off, good day is coming. Now see the motion again. See that the camera on and the PC cursor is on and it change that some text is also coming. Okay, it's a very simple program. Okay, right? I hope it is very clear for you. Okay, thank you.